So welcome students. So in this question you're given that alpha is the interior angle of a regular octagon. If that is so, you're asked to find limit theta tends to alpha plus tan theta minus 1 by integer part of sin theta plus cos theta. So obviously if you want to do this limit, first you need to find what alpha is. That alpha is given as the interior angle of a regular octagon. So you can easily find the interior angle of a regular octagon. How do we do this? So what is the exterior angle of a regular octagon? Exterior angle of regular octagon is nothing but 2 pi by the number of sides is 8, that is equal to pi by 4, that is 135 degrees, sorry 45 degrees. So what is the interior angle? So exterior angle is pi by 4, so the interior angle is nothing but pi minus pi by 4, that is 3 pi by 4 or 135 degrees. So now alpha is 3 pi by 4. So now what does this limit become? Limit x tends to 3 pi by 4 plus tan theta minus 1 by integer part of. So let me try to simplify this. Sin theta plus cos theta, I'll do by root 2 into root 2. So this is a very standard manipulation that we do. We divide by root of a square plus b square and multiply it with root of a square plus b square. So what becomes of this is root 2 times sin theta plus cos theta by root 2. That is sin theta cos 45 plus cos theta sin 45. It is nothing but sin of theta plus pi by 4. Theta plus pi by 4. So that is equal to. So now let us do the direct substitution and see whether you are getting indeterminate form or a determinate form. So when theta is tending to 3 pi by 4 plus, so tan theta, obviously this 3 pi by 4 is in second quadrant, so tan theta is negative, so you get a negative 1. So tan theta is minus 1. So the numerator is minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 divided by. So what happens to the denominator? So if you put 3 pi by 4 in the place of theta, so 3 pi by 4 plus pi by 4 is pi, sin pi is 0. So exactly at pi by 4 you're getting 0 as the answer. But theta tends to pi by 4 plus, that is my sin theta plus pi by 4. So this theta plus pi by 4 is just more than pi, because theta is slightly more than 135 degrees. So if you add 45 degrees, sin theta is slightly more than 180 degrees. So this angle is in third quadrant. So sine of an angle in the third quadrant, so this tends to 0 but in the negative direction, 0 minus. So sine of theta plus pi by 4 tends to 0 from the negative side. So if you multiply this with root 2, so root 2 times 0 minus tend to 0 minus. So the number within this bracket tends to 0 from the negative side. So if you take the integer part of 0 minus, what do you get? The integer part of 0 minus is minus 1, because any number less than 0, unless it is 0, any number less than 0, the integer part will be minus 1. So minus 2 by minus 1 is equal to 2 is the right answer. Thank you.